Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today's video is some laundry motivation for you guys. The last laundry motivation video that I put out, you guys really liked it, so I thought I'd do you guys another one. You guys know that laundry is not my favorite chore to do in the house, but you got to get it done, so I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys some motivation. So the way our laundry routine works, we'll usually start on Thursday and finish on Saturday. So that way we're not doing it for the whole weekend. We do work Monday through Friday and we're off on the weekend. So we try to get it started a little early and then finish on Saturday, because Sunday is my prep day to get everything ready for the week. So I want to go ahead and have everything done by then. But we usually have about 3 to 4 loads depending on what we're washing. So if we're washing like bedspreads and sheets and curtains or things like that, of course it'll be more loads. The first load that I just took out of the dryer was Eleni's leotards and dance wear. So she does gymnastics and dance each week, so we have to make sure to wash those every week. And then once the blankets that I just put in the dryer are done, we'll go ahead and fold those and put those back where they go. I did post a hallway laundry room makeover video a couple of months ago. If you're looking for organization ideas or some cleaning motivation for this type of space, definitely check out that video. I will put it in the description box below.
We say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever.
Just wanted to share this with you guys. So this blanket that I'm folding is Eleni's blanket, and we actually had all of her baby blankets made into a quilt. So we just found someone on Facebook Marketplace to take all of her baby blankets and to sew them together into one big blanket, and she uses that blanket all the time. But there's a tip for you guys: if you have like a lot of baby blankets that you just don't want to get rid of because they're sentimental but you're not using them, you can always do something like this, so that way you can hold on to it.
When you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
Another tip I like to give when doing laundry is always make sure once you take something out of the dryer, and like if you place it in a laundry basket or you do like me and place it on the bed, make sure you go ahead and fold that or hang that up right then, so that way you're not falling behind, because laundry is definitely something that you can get behind on. So I definitely encourage everyone to make sure once you take something out of the dryer to go ahead and tackle that then. So next next I'm about to fold this pretty big load of laundry, so I want you to stop right now. If you have something in the dryer, go grab it, and then I want you to continue playing this video so I'll give you motivation to do it with me. So let's go ahead and tackle this big load of laundry.
Drifting apart, there's no use trying to pretend.
In the comments below, I want to know what your method is on how you put your clothes back up. So for me, for all of my pants, I fold them and then put them in like a little cube organizer that's in my closet, and then I hang up all my shirts. So I want to know what you do. Do you hang your pants and your shirts, or do you fold both pants and shirts? So let me know in the comment below what your method is.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
If you are loving this video so far and is giving you that motivation that you needed today, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post new content. I try my best to post every Wednesday and Sunday, and I post about cleaning and organizing. Also believe in the motto of less is more, or simple living as well.
I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me.
I have one more load to tackle, so don't click off yet.
What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
Thank you guys again for watching. I hope it gave you the motivation to get some things done today. Don't forget that I post every Wednesday and Sunday, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time.